Hello, let's cooking. Today stir-fried noodle and bacon, ham, asparagus. My ingredients are asparagus, ham, noodle. You can use any kind of noodle. And bacon. So prepare. Start with cut asparagus, cleaned, and put aside. You can cut smaller than mine. And then prepare bacon, slice it. I like to slice not too small, then I can chew them and feel the taste when eat. And then ham. I bought a big piece of ham, then I slice it and cut it and then put back in the plastic bag, Ziploc, and put back in the refrigerator. So you will see here I cut them and then put in the plastic bag and then put back in the freezer. And now slide them for stir fry and wash. I like to wash ham because for me every ham direct from supermarket too salty for me. Then I wash them many times to make sure less salty. After that, boiling noodle and set aside. As I mentioned earlier, you can use any kind of noodle. I also use noodle, the instant. I don't remember what kind because I had many in my stock at home, so I just pick one. And then oil the pan, heat the pan with the oil, cooking oil. You can use any. I use the what is called olive oil, and then add ham. Stir a little bit, let it cook. After that, checking noodle too, and add the seasoning, oyster sauce, sugar, pepper, and then taste. I thought about I'm not add the soy sauce because the ham is already salty. And then I slide down asparagus and add in. Keep stir fried. Don't let asparagus too soft. But if you like soft, up to you. My husband doesn't like too soft. And then put in the dishes with the noodle and ready to serve. If you try and eat it and tell me if you like or not. Bye.